Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate destination for everything related to beautiful and inspiring home design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most iconic, cozy, and architecturally stunning structures in the housing world, the A-frame log cabin. Whether you dream of a secluded woodland retreat or a sleek modern escape in the mountains, this timeless style captures the imagination like no other. In this video, we will explore the true meaning behind this structural masterpiece, its undeniable benefits, the essential elements that define it, and how you can decorate its exterior to turn heads. Plus, we are breaking down our top 10 best A-frame log cabin design ideas using stunning visual inspiration to help you plan your next dream project. At its core, an A-frame log cabin design is defined by its steeply angled roofline that begins near the foundation line and meets at the top in the shape of an uppercase letter, A. Traditionally combining the raw, rustic charm of classic log construction with this specific geometric framework, it represents a perfect harmony between architectural simplicity and rugged durability. The design historically emerged as a highly practical solution for snowy climates, as the dramatic pitch prevents heavy snow accumulation from damaging the roof structure. Today, it has evolved from a humble wilderness shelter into a global symbol of architectural minimalism, cozy living, and an intentional lifestyle that prioritizes connecting with the surrounding natural landscape. Choosing an A-frame log cabin design offers a remarkable blend of structural efficiency, affordability, and emotional appeal. From a practical standpoint, the steep roof design is incredibly resilient against harsh weather conditions, effortlessly shedding heavy rain and thick winter snow, which significantly reduces long-term maintenance costs. Furthermore, the structural simplicity often translates to an easier and faster construction process compared to conventional multi-story homes, making it an excellent choice for remote or challenging building sites. Inside, the soaring vaulted ceilings create a dramatic sense of openness and vertical space, while the characteristic floor-to-ceiling windows flood the home with natural light and offer uninterrupted panoramic views of nature. Ultimately, it delivers a high-impact aesthetic on a relatively compact footprint, maximizing both style and energy efficiency. Decorating the exterior of an A-frame log cabin requires a thoughtful balance between highlighting its dramatic geometric lines and blending the structure seamlessly into its natural environment. To make the exterior truly stand out, focus on creating strong visual contrast by pairing dark, modern roofing materials like matte black or deep charcoal standing seam metal with the warm, organic tones of natural stain logs or timber siding. Incorporating expansive wooden wraparound decks or elevated platforms instantly extends your living space outdoors, creating an inviting transition zone that can be styled with minimalist outdoor furniture, cozy fire pits, and subtle ambient lighting. Accentuate the entryways by adding a bold splash of color to the front door, using high-quality outdoor light fixtures to frame the glass, and incorporating local stonework along the foundation to ground the cabin beautifully into the landscape. The most successful A-frame log cabin designs rely on key architectural elements that emphasize light, warmth, and structural geometry. First and foremost are the expansive glass facades. Maximizing the triangular front wall with floor-to-ceiling windows or custom geometric window grids is absolutely essential for achieving that signature open feel. Second, the integration of premium raw materials, such as exposed heavy timber beams, natural log accents, and native stone foundations, provides the structural authenticity and warmth that defines a true cabin. Third, outdoor integration through seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, such as sliding glass doors opening onto wide cedar decks, is crucial for making the compact footprint feel expansive. Finally, the inclusion of an exposed metal or stone chimney pipe running up the side of the steep roof adds a perfect, functional silhouette accent that completes the classic wilderness aesthetic. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best A-frame log cabin design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the geometric glass masterpiece. As seen in this A-frame cabin design, this design pushes the boundaries of modern cabin architecture by featuring an intricate, triangular geometric window grid across its entire front facade. Framed in a bold matte black finish, the structure features warm vertical wood paneling that glows under soft exterior lighting, complemented by an expansive, elevated wraparound wooden deck that perfectly positions the cabin within a lush forest canopy. 2. The classic red door retreat. Referencing this A-frame cabin design, this design captures the quintessential cozy cabin charm with its natural wood horizontal siding and a steep, dark metal roof. The standout feature is a vibrant red front door that provides a beautiful pop of color, perfectly paired with a small upper-level balcony and a welcoming ground floor porch complete with classic white chairs centered around a warm outdoor fire pit. 3. The contemporary hybrid cabin. Looking at this A-frame cabin design, this innovative approach showcases a traditional sharp A-frame structure beautifully integrated with a flat-roofed modern side extension. This hybrid layout maximizes internal living space while maintaining the iconic triangular silhouette, using massive glass panes, a light wood finish, and glass deck railings to keep the entire look airy and immersed in the surrounding pine woods. 4. The panoramic platform lounge. Featured in this A-frame cabin design, this stunning cabin relies on sleek minimalism, highlighting a light gray corrugated metal roof paired with a fully glazed front wall that reveals a warm, wood-lined interior. The building sits elevated on a sturdy post foundation over a gentle grassy slope, accompanied by a spacious forward-facing timber deck and an inviting fire pit area with rustic wooden chairs. 5. The winter wonderland minimalist. Seen clearly in this A-frame cabin design, this design represents the pinnacle of modern Scandinavian-inspired architecture, featuring a stark black metal outer shell contrasted against a bright, warm natural wood interior visible through its soaring glass front. Set against a snow-covered pine forest, its clean, uninterrupted lines prove that minimal decoration can create the most breathtaking visual impact. 6. The multi-tiered mountain estate. In this A-frame cabin design, we see a luxury variation of the A-frame design that utilizes a heavy, rustic stone foundation to support an asymmetrical, multi-story layout. With multiple intersecting roof lines, extensive window walls, and integrated side wings, this grand design is perfect for capturing sweeping mountain views while offering a highly functional, expanded floor plan. 7. The symmetrical autumn glow. Referencing this A-frame cabin design, this flawlessly symmetrical two-story design features beautiful horizontal warm timber siding wrapped in a dramatic dark metal frame. The front layout includes a well-proportioned second-floor balcony with minimalist black railings, standard lower windows flanking a central door, and ambient indoor lighting that transforms the entire cabin into a welcoming, golden beacon in the woods. 8. The recessed industrial edge. As shown in this A-frame cabin design, this design brings an industrial flair to the wilderness by utilizing vertical black corrugated siding on the main exterior walls, paired with a deeply recessed front entrance lined with rich, golden wood. The soaring triangular windows are divided by heavy architectural columns, creating a bold, graphic look that stands out brilliantly against a woodland backdrop. 9. The scalloped rustic tradition. Looking at this A-frame cabin design, this charming design honors traditional rustic woodwork by incorporating unique scalloped, wavy trim along the roof edges. Built with classic log cabin-style siding and a wide, covered front porch, it features cozy wooden rocking chairs and a small upper balcony, making it the ultimate nostalgic countryside hideaway. 10. The layered double gable cabin. Finally, in this A-frame cabin design, this layout utilizes a layered, double-gabled roof effect with classic log paneling and forest green trim details around the windows and doors. The structure is designed for practical country living, featuring an attached covered carport to the side and a wide, open lawn that emphasizes a spacious, peaceful lifestyle. Every single one of these designs proves that the A-frame log cabin is far more than just a passing trend. It is a masterful architectural staple that continues to evolve with modern tastes while keeping its cozy, nature-focused soul intact. From minimalist metal-clad hideaways to expansive rustic estates, the versatility of the A-shape ensures it remains a favorite for design enthusiasts all around the globe. If you loved exploring these incredible A-frame log cabin designs as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Let us know down in the comments which of our top 10 cabins you would love to live in. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming design showcases. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.